Hi Jake, what's up?
No good, Miriam. The fricking Tata assignment is killing me.
Haha. Yup, it's a tough one. But thanks to Dr. Jurgen's great advice, I'm quite clear what to do. Feel free to ask me if you have questions.
I feel so overwhelmed by this whole damn thing. I hardly know where to start. Do you think it's okay if I just focus on the case Rata and Tata, the last Raja?
No can do. The two cases from the last two textbook editions are only a start. You need a minimum of 10 references, including some peer-reviewed journal articles.
Wallah, so troublesome. Want to die already?
Not really law. Jurgen provided some sample references some time back, and he also showed us last week how to use the Murdoch Digital Library to find great academic references.
So, is the focus on historical or current problems?
Our lecturer said it's kind of boring to solve problems that have already been solved. So for instance, it's much more interesting to look into the new leader, Cyrus Mystery.
Well, you seem to be able to answer all my questions. Can you give me examples of source and secondary problems?
Sure. One way is to look at the whole Tata group and say they are too diversified. Secondary problems could be Tata Nano problems, course acquisition debt, and an incomplete leadership transition. But if you want to be more focused, you can also talk about one of the companies, like Tata Motors, Tata Steel or TCS, etc.
I see. So that means my three secondary problems could be all about Tata Motors or even all about the Nano?
That's right.
And then my analysis is structured around the problems that I have identified earlier.
All right, man, you're a quick study. But remember that your criteria of evaluation in Section 4 should be specific or smart. There is the table in Hofer and Schendel.
Ah yes. I remember this part. The criteria of evaluation help us in evaluating the alternative strategy statements, and they should look like S5 statements.
I think I have nothing more to explain to you. And you can always check with Jurgen whether you're on the right track or not.
I feel so much better, thank you so much. Come, let's go for a coffee, I'm buying.
Sorry, can I do a rain check on this? I got to get cracking on the assignment.